கண்டிப்பாக இவர் சொன்ன மாதிரி யாராவது வந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக டிஸ்கவுண்ட்டில் போட்டு தருவேன். ஆனால் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா?
எஸ். We are at என்ன டேம் இது? This is Bubu. Hey everyone, welcome back. This is 15th of April. We are traveling to Wayanad, as I mentioned in my previous vlog, and the time right now is 8:40. I'm waiting for Santosh to reach here. He is coming from Bangalore and I'm in Mysore right now. So once we meet up, we have two special guests joining us. I'll post a picture in the next frames. All right, I'll continue once Santosh is in. All right, Santosh has just come in, so the time is actually 10. He has to come from Bangalore, so the road was not good, so he took a little while. That's fine. So the time is 10, so we're going to finish our breakfast and then start. We'll finish it here itself. Alright, we have finished our breakfast. This Kamath Madhuvan is where we had our breakfast. So these are the two people who has joined us. That's Santosh, Sarchana, this is Nishchita. That's the time right now is 10:30. So we'll continue on the way. It's more like a couple rides or family ride, whatever you would like to call. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Let's hope for the best. And I'm not sure if I'm able to tape the video when I enter Kerala, because as far as I know, I think we're not supposed to use even a helmet mount. So I'm not sure. Let's see. Since we have pillion riders, we'll give the camera to them. By the way, I did not mention which route we are taking. From Mysore, we have taken the Ooty route. So we'll be reaching till Gundalpet, and from there we'll be taking a right, which takes us to oh my god, what is that place name? Sultan Bathery. Yes, that's where we are going to enter. Alright, petrol filling done. And we reach Gundalpet. So if you go left, it's Chamraj Nagar. If you go straight, it's Ooty. And if we go right, that takes us to Kerala, Kozhikode, Wayanad. This is the first time for me, so I hope it's good. Wow, too good. Look at the view, guys. I just hoped it was, I just wish it was like cloudy. The route would have been even more beautiful. I definitely bet during monsoon road would definitely look so beautiful. All lush greens on both sides. The time right now is 12. The weather so far has been good with us. What is this place? I don't know. The roads are pretty good. Not much to complain about. I think we are entering Chamarajanagar district. Okay. Oh, Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Okay. We have another 30 kilometers to Sultan Pateri. Not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Alright, we are going to enter Kerala, so we are going to remove our GoPro and give it pillions.
Yes, I guess. Is this the one? Leo Kiowa.
Alright, we have reached the location, so I just show you how the location looks. I'm not sure about the dam's name, but the dam is visible from here. So there's a zip line and this is the place we are staying. Hey everyone, this is the place. So I just wanted to show you around how the view is from here. So actually we are going for fishing. And by the way, this is the South India's longest zip line, which I mentioned earlier. You can see people going there. I'm not sure if it's visible, but this is the view. This is the dam here, and the zip line starts from there and goes till just behind that. So we are staying in this house, and there's another one here, and there's like very neat. This is a new property, by the way. I'll recommend this to everyone. I'll just check if you can give some discount coupon. I'll let you know. Three of us did fishing and no luck at all. The fish could easily come and eat the bait, but we couldn't catch the fish. But these two girls are like not giving up. They're trying it for maybe 5th or 6th time. So end of the day, they are just feeding the fish, not fishing. Hi Santosh, how was your fishing experience?
I didn't do any fishing.
So Santosh was full-time spectator and commenter because he know nobody would be able to catch the fish.
Ini mean fry illa.
No fish today. We'll have to adjust with chicken.
Ama.
So people were not aware what the challenge was. Okay, we are going back to the room. It's getting dark and It's about to rain now. Santosh ji. Santosh ji. Bear Grylls. Man versus Wild. In Discovery Channel, Tamil. Tamil.